Hello guys. So let's do a quick review. On what we've been able to do today. Trading with my robot. This is the expert trader, of course, once again. So let's just go straight to this account. Not much has been done on this account. As you see, it's a live account. Okay. Today's date is the 4th of June. 4th of June. Yes, Friday. 2021. This account has been able to make $7 today. Not much for this account. Last week, $87. As you can see, $7. Last month, it's still barely a month though. This account just started on the 1st of July. As you can see, the start date 1st of July to now, it has made $87. Deposit of how much? $500. So amazing. um Using my robot. So let's check this second account, which is this. Let's check this account, see how much this account has made today. Yeah, so we'll go to the, let's check today. As you can see, we'll click on today. $86. Bravo. Look at all the trades. $86 today using my robot. This is beautiful. This robot is amazing, guys. I don't know what you're waiting for. This is real time. All these things I'm doing is real time. These are real accounts. And you're hearing my voice. So what else do you want? Look at last week on this account, $173. Okay? From this is the date of 4th of June to today. $170. So look at the monthly aspect of things. Wow, beautiful. Since this account started in less than a month, this account has made $475 profit with a deposit of $500, almost 100%. Almost 100% returns. Okay, so as you can see, these are real-time trades. All these trades are taken by my robot. Look at it. This is the name of the robot making this profit. Next account, we go to this account. Okay, let's go to this account. Oh, beautiful. Look at this. Live trades. Look at this. This is a live account. This is a live account, guys. History. Today. Beautiful on this account. $26. Amazing today. Everybody's making profit. Okay. Last week, $47. In less than a month, $170. Look at this account. It started, look at the date, 21st of May. 20th of June will make it 1 month. 20th of June, 1 month. Okay. So less than a month, it has made $172 with a deposit of $250, and then they gave them bonus $500. Okay, so another account we have to look. Let's look at the last account, which is this. Quickly. Look at this today. Amazing. Let's look at today on this account. $141. This is amazing. $141 in a day. Do this 141 multiplied by 490 black market rate in Nigeria. You know how much this guy made just today. Okay, if you're talking about today, let's look at last week on this account. $156. Beautiful. $156. Okay, let's look at last month on this account. $747. Whooping. We didn't look at this. 3rd of May. From the 3rd of May to today, the 4th of June, $747 for a $500 deposit account. Look at this. Look at these accounts. These accounts are amazing. This robot is good. Take advantage, guys. This is the best thing that will happen to you this year. Let your money work for you. Nobody has to do this for you. Nobody's trading for you. You're not giving me your money to trade. All you're purchasing is a tool that will change your whole experience about trading. I need you to stop hesitating and give this a try.